Hi, I just bought a Kwikset doorknob. This is the model, nice 7402-794. It's a smart key doorknob with microband, and the box comes in like this. In the back, you will see the product is imported by Australia or Mexico. You will see Australia and Mexico. Uh, so let's open up, see how it looks like. It comes with the doorknob, all the necessary part for installation, and a set of key. So now I'm going to open this up, see what they have. Okay, this is what it comes with: a doorknob, this one has a smart keyhole, a latch, this one is adjustable, depending on your door. You can move in and out, and set of keys, stripe plate, and the two sets of stripe plate. You see here the differences depend on your situation to apply. This part of the stripe plate and a bracket, keys, smart key tool, and of course the manual how to install and how to rekey. Okay. There are two main features of this model. One of the main features is you can rekey the lock yourself. So you can just have one key for all the house, and you don't have to carry so many keys for different doors and different locks. And the second feature is the microband technology. And what it does is it protects against the bacteria. So what it does, it inhibits the growth and reproduction of bacteria, and mainly against the bacteria that causes stain and odor, but not designed to protect against bacteria that cause disease. So just be aware of that. Okay, before you put this in, make sure the length it matches for your door. Because here you can move this thing up and go in and go out like that. So mine is this size. So next, you see the pattern? This matches this. Go in like that. And make sure these two go in. This go here and this go there when you put it in. So let me show you how you do it. Okay, before you put it in, let me show you this and this. Go in like this. Here you can go in, so you have to use the thumb, push it in, and the whole mattress. It'll be like this when you go inside the door. So let me show you how to do it. First, and put this in here. You see here? Okay, next, I'm show you how to do it. With both hands. This part, match with this part. So it's in here. Okay, the next part is you see the D shape. Like that matches the D shape here, and also you see inside this part. You see that the rectangles pointing straight, and make sure the rectangle pointing straight to inside. You can see the groove because of the light. I'm talking about this part here. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Is that Perfect. Go in. Okay, hold it like this. And then you need these two. One go on each side. And then push it in. And go in. So it's in. All you need to do is get a screwdriver. You should get a smaller one. And the other one on the other side. Same thing. So before tightening the screw, you need to adjust it so you can get room to adjust this thing. And so you put the plate like this. And then get the small screw. You get a bigger screwdriver. Okay, and then test this. Lock. And the other side. Okay. So it's good to go. So now next thing is to tighten these two. Okay, it's all tight. So this is how you install the Kwikset doorknob. Thanks for watching.